In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add end screens to your videos using your mobile phone. Yes, your mobile phone. I found a way to do it. Yes, you can do literally everything you can do on PC. There was this assumption or belief that you can only add end screens on PC. Yeah, but I found a way you can do it using your mobile phone. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to start screen recording this phone and I'm going to show you every step on how to go about it. It's very simple. So let's jump right into the video. So in order to do this thing, you have to first close this app, the YouTube Studio app. You know, you cannot use this YouTube Studio app to add the end screen. Yeah, so and what we're going to do, if you don't look for a way to kind of discard this main YouTube Studio app, is going to interfere. So it's either you delete it, or for me, I don't usually delete it. I put mine in a freezer. Yeah, if you can, I have a phone freezer. I think almost every phone have it. So you put your WhatsApp, your YouTube Studio over there. So I'm going to put YouTube Studio. Yeah. So if you don't do this thing, this YouTube Studio is going to interfere with whatever you are going to do. So once you have placed your YouTube Studio in your distance, all you have to click is you go to Chrome or whatever browser you use. So when I go to Chrome, okay, I think I have it over here. So this is the one I'm using. Yes, if you can see here, add end screens over here. So I'm already using it. So but I'm going to show you how I do it. So what you will search, come over here. What you search is YouTube Studio. So I've already typed it, as you can see over here. So YouTube Studio. Yeah, I don't have a PC. And when I found that you can do this, I was literally happy, overjoyed. So you go to YouTube Studio, then this first search that is over here. Yeah, so that's when you're going to click. So you click on it. Um, so this is what just happened. What I think wanted to do is it wanted to redirect this thing to YouTube Studio, because when we checked, what we clicked on was YouTube Studio. So it wanted to direct us to the app, the YouTube Studio. So that's why I said if you don't freeze your YouTube Studio or if you don't delete it, this thing is not going to work, because it will keep redirecting you to your YouTube Studio app. And once it keeps redirecting you there, then you can't be able to do the end screen stuff. So once it comes once this page shows, all you have to do is click on this pencil icon. So this account, I don't have a channel, so I'll click over there. You see, once you click over there, it's going to bring you this thing, switch account. But if you have only one Google account, yeah, I think it's going to be easy. It's not something that is going to be difficult, but I have multiple Google accounts, so that's why I have to switch. So this is the channel I use for my YouTube video. So I'm going to click on it. Yeah, so once it loads, so you just click over there again. So once you click over there, then if you can look over down here, you can see where is written YouTube Studio. I don't know, this one is covering it. Okay. Yeah, you can see YouTube Studio. So you just click over there. Yeah. So we are there right now. This thing has to come over here. So you can see, if you can look, if you have PC, you can agree with me that this is how it looks on PC. You have this section over here. Don't know if you can see what I'm pressing. You have this section over here where you can drag. So my phone is kind of slow because it's not all that strong, because I'm multitasking. I'm screen recording my phone. Also the camera is on and also the data is on. So that's why it seems slow. Yeah, so we have this section you can use to school. And then we also have this section. So if you have PC, you can agree with me that this is how it looks on PC. So now let me show you where you add the end screen. So you see, click on this content stuff. This one. Oh god, this thing. This one, yeah. So it's going to lead you to the content. So as you can see, there are some contents over here. So I have added end screens to some of them. I'm going to change some of the end screens so that you see that it actually works. So I'm going to choose this recent video. This recent video over here. So I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it, then you go down. Like I said, if you have PC, you can agree with me that this is how they look. So now if you go down, you can see it over here. End screens. Add it. Oh, move. You can see it over here. End screens. And you can even add cards. Like everything you can do on the PC, YouTube Studio app PC, you can also do them over here, like with just your mobile phone. I'm doing this in a mobile phone. Like this is crazy. Like all this is why I thought you cannot add end screens using mobile phone, and I've been there waiting, begging for PCs to add this thing. But this is a game changer. So I'll click on it. Add end screens. This one should come over here. So we can see I've already added an end screen. So this is the end screen I added, but I'm going to change it. Then we'll go and watch the video so that we'll see if the thumbnail was actually added. So I'm going to choose a specific video. So we'll click on this. So let me choose this one. So I'm going to choose this video that says I failed on YouTube. So I'm going to choose it. So I click. So if you can see, the video has appeared over here. Oh, tomato. You can see the video has appeared over here. Yeah. So all you have to do is you click on save. So once you click on save, that's it. So now we're going to go to YouTube to see if that video, if it actually works. And so this is the video. So this is the video that I added the end screen. So as you can see, so I'm going to click on it and watch, and we'll see if it's actually worked. So one morning you woke up, you went to your YouTube analytics for what day. So to the end, let's see if it actually works. So guys, watch this thing please. And I've made a video about it. So if fancy about is it's about this thing that helped them to keep getting lots of views. Then I want you to watch, especially see over here. Say it actually works. It actually works. If you enjoy this content or if you find it valuable, you can hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want more tips on how to grow on YouTube or tricks on YouTube, you can hit the subscribe button. Yeah, and you can watch any of this video. Yeah, and see you. God bless.